Okay, for the splash screen, I can go to layout and copy the entire code and paste it to ChatGPT. Alright, it's done generating, and I was thinking to add this splash screen effect in the layout, but it has created me a separate page. Now I have to call and create this file, import the layout, and now I can call the splash screen from the main instead of layout. And now if I run the application again, let's also try the size 2 and size 3 and see which one looks perfect. Let's use the 3 and see how is this one looking. So I prefer the first one. Let me save it and restart. Nice, it has that smiley face also. So our application is complete now. We can say this floating action button is not showing here, and I guess it's because this bottom menu and it's overriding our floating action button here. So I can give this code to ChatGPT and it will convert this button into a position container. Now we can copy this code and the floating action button will show as it was before. We have to give this a little bit more. It is there but it's not visible, so I can give it like 60. Now it's visible, and if we click it, it should also open Google Map. It's not showing our current position. It should show something like dot or pointer that we are located here current. Let's see how ChatGPT can solve that. So here ChatGPT misunderstood our point and it thinks that we want the current location. There's a button, if we press it, it will get our current location, but we don't want that. We just want a pointer or marker in the map. So let me tell it again. Alright, I think this one should work. If I go to code and paste everything and save it, it should add marker to the map, but I think I have to open this page again. So this is our location, and if we press this, it will take us to the shop location. We have favorites. Let's see if favorites is working. We want to favorite some items here. We want to favorite, and if we come here, all the favorite items are here, and our profile works, our search works. Alright, everything works. Now let's take some screenshot from different pages, and then we can create a mockup and presentation so that we can take our presentation to the client and different coffee shops and show them that this is how your application will look. And finally we get the deal, right?